Hello everyone, I am Supriya Loha. I am working as an assistant professor at All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I am going to talk about decoding of linear block code. So we will understand this whole procedure by solving one example. So consider this example. Generator matrix for 6,3 systematic linear block code is given below. Generator matrix is given. Find corrected code word for following received code words. So two received code words are given and we need to find out whether they are correctly received or not. If they are not correctly received, we need to correct them also. So this is decoding procedure for systematic LBC. So what you have to do, first you need to find out put parity check matrix, then find out transpose of the parity check matrix, then construct decoding table using S is equal to E into H transpose. Third step is compute S is equal to R into H transpose, where R is received code word. Fourth step is find out error vector corresponding to the syndrome vector S that you have calculated in step 3. Fifth is compute corrected code word as C is equal to R XOR E. So let us solve actual problem. So generator matrix is given. We know that generator matrix we can form by identity matrix of the order k, and parity matrix order is k into n minus k. So for our particular example, generator matrix is a combination of identity matrix of order 3 and parity matrix. So for the generator matrix that is given in the problem statement itself, first 3 by 3 matrix is your identity matrix and that is highlighted in yellow color, and next to what we have is parity matrix, 3 by 3 parity matrix, that is highlighted in the red color. So we got parity matrix, and how we are forming parity check matrix? It's a combination of parity transpose of parity matrix and identity matrix of n minus k. So transpose means row will become columns and column will become row. So for this particular example, your parity check matrix is a combination of transpose of parity matrix and identity matrix of order 3. So parity matrix we have already retrieved from the generator matrix. Now we have considered transpose over here, and after that we have written identity matrix of order 3. And this is your parity check matrix, and we have to consider transpose of it. So row will become columns and columns will become row. Next is step 2, construct a decoding table. And how you are going to construct this? S is equal to E into H transpose. What is E? E is the error vector. What is error vector? Our error vector is a vector having n bits, and we are going to write 1 at particular bit position when that bit at that particular position is in error, and the bits and the remaining bits as a 0. So we are going to solve the problems for only single bit error. So out of this n bits, only one bit can be equal to 1, because we are going to solve for single bit error problems only. So this is n bit code vector, and you are going to write it as a 1 at a particular bit position when that bit is in error. In this way, we are going to write all 6 error vectors. So once we have written all error vectors, next step is to find out syndrome corresponding to this error vectors. So let us say E1 is equal to 1, 5 times 0. So corresponding syndrome vector is S1. S1 is equal to E1 into H transpose. So again we are going to find out syndrome vector, just like you have just the procedure that you have followed for C is equal to D into G. So you are going to multiply E1 by first column of H transpose, and here you are going to consider modulo 2 addition and modulo 2 multiplication. So likewise you are going to get S1 is equal to 101. Once you get syndrome vector for the E1, and then you are going to find out syndrome vector for E2. So likewise you are going to find out all 6 syndrome vectors and you are going to prepare this table. Once you have done with the decoding table, next step is S is equal to R into H transpose, where R is received code word. In this case, received code word is 114 times 0. That is multiplied by H transpose. So again you are going to follow the same procedure and get this syndrome as a 110. So this syndrome you are going to find out in the decoding table. So 110 corresponding error pattern that you need to find out, and in this case it is 0013 times 0, and this error pattern you are going to add it to the received code word. Add it means XOR, you are going to consider XORing operation with received code word, and what you get is corrected received code word. Thank you.